Hey guys, today I'm going to repot this Echeveria imbricata out of this planter box because I am so worried that it is going to rot. But as you can see, it is healthy underneath there. Nothing's wrong. But anyways, I'm just gonna move them in a terracotta pot and let the leaves look a little bit better because for some reason it got so damaged. I don't know, it's from the water or I have no clue because it was so beautiful before and it has a lot of damage on the leaves. So there's one little baby underneath here and some dried leaves, so I need to take that apart. This is the finished product. I just repotted them quickly in this pot and added some rocks. I only sprayed the rocks. I didn't put too much water because it was already wet from the rain. So just to make the rocks look shiny and pretty. There's the baby underneath here. Look at that little baby. I hope he'll grow bigger. And there she is. Now this topsy-turvy, I was just gonna leave it alone like this and let it grow, but the babies look like it's getting too leggy, so I think it's about time to harvest the babies and put them in its separate pots, or maybe I'm just gonna put it in one pot. So here it is, lots of beautiful babies and little baby underneath there. So let's dig it up. Ooh, it is so big, you guys. I am excited to take this apart. It is so pretty though. I wish it would just stay like this, but it's getting leggy and I know I need to get this out of here. Oh my goodness, too much roots. I'm just gonna take out some of the soil out. That way I don't have to refill this plant box again with more soil because I just used regular soil on this, actually topsoil, and then I added perlite and put a topping with some rocks on it and they're happy. So here it is, look at, here's the whole thing here. Oh, it is so beautiful. So guys, I'm gonna take this apart one by one and see how many babies I got. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 babies. Oh my goodness, they are so adorable. They're healthy too. So I'm gonna clean this up and take some of these leaves away, the dried leaves, and start repotting them. And here is the mama plant. She is healthy, a lot of dried leaves, and she still has 3 more babies underneath here. See? Oh my goodness, I got more babies. So I'm gonna clean this mama up and then I'm gonna put her back to the plant box. I have this little tiny tool. I think it's a pick. It's from my husband. He gave me some little tools like this and it really helped me with picking up these dried leaves, and you know, when I make some little bits of arrangement and then I need to pick up and pick little things. So here it is, almost done picking up this dead leaves, and then I'm not gonna take out this other 2 leaves down there, just let it go. And my hands are loaded with this white film from the plant. I think this is their protective coating. And here she is back into the plant box, and I'm just gonna have to add more rocks underneath here because some of them went under, and then I got so much soil all over the place, so I'm just gonna add more and then push these rocks back into the soil. That would help it too for not rotting. That way it would just be more drainage down there. This plant box already got some drainage, but still it takes forever to dry, so that might help more. So guys, it's like 4:15 right now, and I'm so glad that I got a lot done. We got our homeschool lessons done early today, and my kids are excited to get done, and I'm excited to get done too, so I can play with my plants. So it's a win-win for me around this time. I always take my free time either doing some plants or making a project with the children, because you know boys love their experiments, and then it takes a lot of time preparing those things, and then it takes up all my extra time with finishing and cleaning up and everything else. But having something to do, to look forward to, like doing some plants, makes me happy, and it takes out some stress too. Let me know if you also are like me, homeschooling, or what do you guys do for free time. So here is mama plant with her 3 little babies under here. Now these babies have more room to grow, and here she is, looking nice, still looking so pretty. So here are the 9 babies. I just finished cleaning them up, and it's about ready to go to their new pot to grow. So here is the pot I'm thinking of using, and let's just put them in here and let it root. I didn't wait for it to callus because I'm going to add some rocks in here later, and I normally do this, and it normally would grow and have roots in a week. So we'll see how this one goes. I also have harvested a lot of topsy-turvy babies before, but they are way smaller than this. In my other videos, the previous one, you'll see some topsy-turvy babies on my pot that has the palm on it. So those I harvested right away because the mama plant is like giving out so much babies, and it barely has a head left on it, and then the babies are like stuck so much to each other. I should have taken a picture of that one. I got like 42 babies out of one topsy-turvy, and that is crazy. So much babies, and I got them babies all around my little pots, and then still right now they're that tiny. This one I let it stay with the mama plant, and they grow so big. This one is really doing well. So it's almost done here, and I'm just gonna make some little room to put this one in, but I'm gonna have this in the middle because it's way bigger and it will fit better there, and the little one can go in this little corner here. So now I'm ready to put the top dressing, which is this pebbles, and I'm just gonna have to do this so slowly because I am so afraid that I'm gonna hurt the leaves. I am so surprised that I did not lose a lot of leaves doing the mama plant and these babies. I probably lose 2 or 3 leaves total. So that's a good thing because normally I'd lose a lot. And this one is so healthy and big enough to transfer, and it is looking great. So slowly there. So I'm just gonna pull them up a little bit off the soil. It will still touch the soil, but it's barely touching, and the rocks will be the one that will hold them up, keep them still. That way I can check them day by day and see how much roots growing, and then make sure it's not rotting. So that's what I'm doing right now, is just to make sure the stems are not planted too deep down to the soil, and it will give them time to breathe and grow. So here it is, guys, my 9 little babies. Oops, the needle kind of wiggled. I'm gonna have to fix that in a little bit, but here they are. I can't wait. We'll see and how they grow. I'm gonna keep an update on this, you guys. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.